I just came out of that stage. That's stage 4. That's Star Trek. You should see it inside. Just walking around the lot here. That's also Star Trek over there. I've worked on there. Season 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. In the past. Stage 17 where I'm at. 17, 16, 15. That is, that's Reacher. And stages 3, 2, and 1. And look at these guys. Look at these guys. I'm making a video for my mom. How you doing? I was just, holy shit, there's Wolf. How you doing, David?
Good, how are you?
How you doing, bro? Oh, you're stuck with my old partner. I just walked through 4 looking for you. I get up at 2 in the morning to read the call sheet, and it says 8 o'clock Wyatt. So I go, okay, and I go back to bed, and then I come here and I look, and the little tiny red lights, all calls pushing an hour. I went, fuck.
So you're here early.
Well, yeah, an hour.
It's fucking Rico's show. They don't fucking tell you that anything. They just fucking change it and let you figure it out.
Yeah.
Fuckers.
Just making a video for my mother of what a beautiful day it is here. And
So you're with Rico today?
No, I'm on Dutch and Knuckles.
Oh,
I'm with,
even worse.
Yeah, even worse. I'm back with that crew again. Yeah. I was with them all last week, and I'm with them this week.
That week I saw you. I think I made $4,000 that week.
Oh, nice. I saw you that Friday, and I went, oh, fuck, I don't like these guys. But
Friday night.
They warmed up to me.
They did?
They did. They warmed up to me.
Oh, that's nice.